Hi everybody. Today I'm working on creating a cherry smoothie with bananas. So first of all, when we add the fresh cherries, these are frozen cherries, add them here. Then we add the dates here, they're soft dates, add them here. Then you add the almond butter. This is about 1 large tablespoon, so add it here. Almond butter is for, as I said, is for healthy protein. And you add 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, light Greek yogurt, add it here. Then you add bananas. This is about two small sized bananas, frozen, so add them here. Then you add the chia seeds. This is 2 tablespoons, so add them here. You can add ice if you want, but it's frozen ingredients. There's no need for ice because there's already frozen ingredients. Then you stir for about 2 minutes. You add it here to the drum. That's a delicious cherry smoothie. So, well, thank you for watching. Glad you like it.